In this video, I'm going to go over how to install a piece of software that's going to allow you to use your game controller, whether plug-in or Bluetooth wireless, to control your CNC machine. We're going to go to Firefox and we're going to type in AntiMicroX. Hit enter. I got mine from GitHub. You can also get it from AntiMicroX.com. Middle of the page on the right hand side, you see releases. The most recent one is 3.5.1. We're going to pick that one. Since I'm on Windows, I'm going to pick Windows AMD 64. I'm just going to click on that and it should automatically download. Locate your file. Mine goes to the desktop, so I'm just going to double click on it. Hit yes. Next, I agree. I'm going to add the path to my current user. I only have one user, and I'm going to install it. Installation shouldn't take long at all. If during installation you didn't pick to have an icon to be put on the desktop, just click start, type in anti, and click on the piece of software. It's going to open up. And here is where we're going to map your controller to your keyboard. I have the retro controller connected to my computer, and AntiMicroX already recognized it. We're going to click on all the buttons. When you click on the button, it'll actually highlight the key corresponding to the button. Mine has left, right, up, down, digital, and it has A, B, X, Y buttons, left shoulder and right shoulder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each key, and I'm going to assign the button on the controller to a key corresponding on the keyboard. So my down controller is going to be down, my left is going to be left, up is going to be up on the keyboard, and right is going to be right on the keyboard. That's going to move the gantry over left, right, away from me, and towards me. Page up and page down on the keyboard moves the Z-axis up and down. So I'm going to map that to my left shoulder to move it down and the right shoulder to move it up. The A, B, X, Y keys I'm going to map to 4 speeds, 4 being the fastest and 1 being the slowest. Usually what I do is I map the red key to the fastest and the green key to the slowest. When that's done, I'm just going to press the buttons just to make sure everything is good, and I'm going to hit save. I'm going to give it a name. If you have multiple controllers, you can name it specifically for each controller. I only have one at this time. Also, make sure you go to options and settings and make sure launch at Windows startup is enabled, because the program needs to be running in order for you to be able to use it. Click OK and you're done. Now let's go over to your CNC machine. In this case, I'm using Carbide Motion. I'm going to wait for that to come up. Connect to cutter. Your application might be different. Initialize machine. In order for you to control, for instance, the Shapeoko, you have to be in the jog menu. So when you're ready, connect to your machine, initialize it, go to your jog menu. And now let's go to the CNC machine and see how it works. So we programmed these buttons to change the speeds. So if I press this, that's the speed. Up and down is going to move the gantry up and down, I mean the Z-axis. And the left joystick or the D-pad is going to move the CNC away from us or towards us or left or right. Let's check it out. This should go up. And now we change speeds. Here you go. This is the lowest speed. It's a little bit faster. And this is the fastest. Here you go.